Yo, what's up, my wannabes? So today I'm gonna do a video on the Hellcat versus the 43X. Like I said, I try to unbox him, you know, just for y'all can get the feel of it. Y'all might not have seen my other videos, so it's just a quick little unboxing, nothing too long. Alright, so usually you'll get the Hellcat, you'll get a pouch, standard paperwork, and then the accessories, you pick it up. You have a speed loader and the lock. Alright, and that pouch I pulled out, that's usually where the gun's at. So with this one, you do get 2 clips and a speed loader. Like I said, the lock. But this one holds 11, and then the extended one holds 13. If it can go in there. Alright, let's put that on the side. Alright, so next we're gonna do the Glock 43. Put that aside real quick. Alright, like I said, quick little unboxing. Alright, first of all, you get the lock and the cleaning set. The Hellcat does not come with a cleaning set. Alright, so you get 2 10-round mags, a speed loader. The second one's in here. Yeah. Alright. Let me go ahead and close that out the way. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna start off with the how thick it is. Alright, that's a little thick, but here's the 43X. It's a little bit slimmer, but you really can't tell. I mean, they both hold around the same rounds. This one holds 11, this one holds 10. One in the chamber and 10 in a mag and 1 in the chamber. This one's 11 in the mag, 1 in the chamber. But this one comes with extended, so you're good on that, I guess. But this one just comes with 2 10s. Alright, so y'all can compare them. Somewhat tell, not really. I mean, or is the Hellcat small? Nah, I think the Glock's a little bit smaller. Alright, so without that being said, we can go ahead and compare the sights. This one comes with the U sights that nobody likes, which I really don't mind. That's a Glock 43X. Alright, now let's go to this Hellcat, the Springfield Hellcat. Alright, so this one has a U-notch, but it does have night sight. And at night it does glow at a certain but it's kind of glowing right there. Alright, so we got into that. We can go ahead and weigh it. They're both empty, mind you. And I didn't say in my other video, but I'm actually weighing them in ounces. So nothing in there. Alright. Let me just have to weigh real quick. $18.37. Alright, now let's try the Glock 43X. Alright, good. So it's a little bit more, I guess. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the full clip. Alright, so turn this back on. My bad. I had to cut it, I had to load him. Alright, so let's start off with the Hellcat. This one's a 11 round. Alright, so it's 22. All right, let's go ahead and try the Glock 43X. This is the 10 rounder. 2277. All right. All right, so let me go ahead and take the clips out. With that extended one. All right, my bad. So let's go ahead and get into the security features. All right, so the Glock 43X only comes with the trigger safety. Like I said, there's nothing in there. I already checked it. So let's do the trigger pull. All right, took somewhat kind of, I think it was 5.5 pounds, but I'm still gonna try them. And here's the hellcat. I do like this trigger a little bit better, to be honest, even when I first got it. You see, just way more smoother, to be honest. So both of them just come with the trigger safety. Alright, so without that being said, we can go ahead and shoot them now. Alright, so we outside now. Alright, the hellcat, the Glock 43X. Alright, now let's put it in the waistband. Pretty hideable. Alright, now let's try the Glock. Waistband. Look, the handle kind of sticks out. Alright, back in the pocket. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the hellcat first. So I think this one was a 11 plus 1 in the chamber. So let's get it. Nothing in the chamber. .43X, 10 and then plus 1 in the chamber, 10 in the bag one. All right, that's a Glock. I'll get back with you in a minute. All right. So, I mean, like I said, they're both really, really good guns. I mean, you can't go wrong with Glock. You can never go wrong with Glock. A lot of people don't like them, but I mean, they've been here around for a while for a reason. But the hellcat, I do like the trigger better. It's like a higher quality build, to be honest. And it's like I said, like, oh yeah, and one thing I didn't get into earlier, that's with the extended clip though, so it really don't count, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so look at the links. Look at the links. All right, from head. See, but if I do it with the regular mag that it comes with, look at the difference. a big difference with concealability. That's not the extent, that's just regular. Put it just for the video's sake. And yeah, shooting them, this one did have a lot of recoil more than this one, honestly, but I did enjoy shooting this one better. I got more on beat with this one than I did with this one. So I mean, this is just an opinionated base, but I mean, in my opinion, I would go with a Hellcat. Like I said, it feels like a better quality build. This one comes like that, but I already shot a 43X before, and it without this extra gripping on it, and I mean, that was alright. It wasn't the best. I kind of like shooting my 19 better, but this pole, I kind of like the Hellcat better. I mean, like I said, it's up to you, but I would go with the Hellcat better, more than the 43X. I mean, you do get, I don't know if all of them come with it, but mine came with an extended clip. This one's 13. It's around the same size, and I feel like, well, it is a little bit smaller. It's way smaller, a little bit smaller, and like the 43X just comes with 10. It should have been staggered, but I mean, it's only straight 10. Like, they should have made it, you know, double stack, but they didn't. But yeah, when I would go with the Hellcat. Like I said, you do get nice sights. It's a nice gun too. I mean, yeah, that's my opinion. Just let me know what y'all know in the let me know what y'all think in the comments. Appreciate it for watching.